Health benefits of aloe vera juice. There are hundreds of aloe plants, but aloe vera is unique in its ability to help you inside and out. Aloe vera is the one edible form of aloe. The aloe vera plant is native to the Arabian Peninsula, but it grows throughout the world. This shrubby, pointy plant has been cultivated for its soothing gel for thousands of years. Aloe vera gel isn't just good for skin issues. It can be blended with water to create aloe vera juice, which is full of nutrients. Health benefits. The nutrients found in aloe vera juice can provide some health benefits. Beta-carotene is a yellow-red pigment that's found in aloe vera plants. It acts as an antioxidant that can help support eye health, including retinal and corneal function. Relieves heartburn. Also known as acid reflux, heartburn is a painful condition that involves acid leaving the stomach and traveling up the esophagus. A recent study has shown that aloe vera juice can reduce the symptoms of heartburn without any uncomfortable side effects.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
Treats constipation. Aloe vera juice contains several compounds known to act as laxatives. While drinking aloe vera juice is unlikely to cause digestive issues in people with normal bowel movements, it has shown promise as a way to relieve constipation. May improve IBS symptoms. Aloe vera juice may be a potential treatment for irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. This condition involves the inflammation of the intestine, leading to pain and other issues. Aloe has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. In one trial, people with IBS who drank aloe vera juice said some of their symptoms improved. However, scientists need to do more research. Nutrition. Aloe vera juice is a rich source of antioxidants, which help fight free radicals. This lowers oxidative stress on your body and reduces the risk of chronic conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, or even cancer.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.